Welcome to Professor Diaries, where learning becomes effortless. We bring deep-seated knowledge to life in the most unique and engaging ways, making learning easier for students, parents, and teachers alike. Stay ahead in learning. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the icon to never miss a lesson. CBSE NCERT Class 7 Science, Chapter 4 Transportation in Animals and Plants. The Superhighway Inside You, the Mystery of the Moving Water. One hot afternoon, Arav, Mira, and Rohan were playing in the garden when Mira noticed something strange. How do trees pull water all the way to their tallest leaves without a pump? Ms. Priya smiled. That's the magic of transportation in living beings. Just like roads and rivers move things outside, our body and plants have hidden highways too. Curiosity challenge. How does water travel upward in trees without any machine? The circulatory system, how blood moves in animals. Ms. Priya explained. Inside your body, there's a superhighway that transports oxygen, food, and waste. It's called the circulatory system. Parts of the circulatory system. Heart, the pump that pushes blood. Blood vessels, tiny tubes that carry blood. Blood, the liquid that carries oxygen, nutrients, and waste. Example. Think of your heart as a water pump and blood vessels as pipes delivering water all over a city. Fun fact. Your heart beats 100,000 times a day. Quick quiz. What's the function of blood in your body? Comment below. The heart, your body's power pump. Rohan asked, how does the heart pump blood non-stop? Ms. Priya smiled. The heart is a muscular pump that works all the time. How the heart works. One right side pumps oxygen, poor blood to the lungs. 2 lungs add oxygen to the blood. 3 left side pumps oxygen-rich blood to the body. Example. Your heart is like a two-way pump. One side brings fresh air and the other delivers it to your body. Fun fact. Your heart is the size of your fist but works 24/7 without stopping. Try this. Place your hand on your chest and feel your heart beating. The 3 types of blood vessels. Ms. Priya continued, your body has 3 types of blood vessels, each with a special job. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart. Veins carry oxygen-poor blood back to the heart. Capillaries, tiny tubes that connect arteries and veins. Example, think of arteries as highways, veins as return roads, and capillaries as small streets. Fun fact. If all your blood vessels were laid out in a line, they'd go around the earth twice. Quick challenge. Guess how much blood your heart pumps in a day? Answer, 7,500 liters. How do plants transport water food? Arav asked. If plants don't have a heart, how do they transport water? Ms. Priya explained. Plants have a special system to move water and food. Xylem carries water from roots to leaves. Phloem carries food, glucose, from leaves to all parts. Example, xylem is like a straw pulling water up, and phloem is like food delivery sending nutrients everywhere. Fun fact. A single tree can lift 100 liters of water per day. Try this. Place a white flower in colored water and see how xylem pulls water up. What happens when blood stops flowing? Mira asked, what if blood stops moving inside us? Ms. Priya explained, without circulation, oxygen and food wouldn't reach your cells, and you'd feel weak or dizzy. Exercise keeps your heart strong. Drinking water helps blood flow smoothly. Healthy food keeps your arteries clean. Example, if roads are blocked, cars can't move, just like blood can't flow if arteries are clogged. Fun fact. A person can survive for 6 minutes without oxygen before brain damage starts. Quick quiz. What carries food in plants, xylem or phloem? Answer, phloem. Conclusion. The superhighway of life. Arav, Mira, and Rohan now understood how transportation works inside living beings. Mira said, from now on, I'll drink more water to help my blood flow. Rohan added, and I'll take care of plants because they move water too. Arav smiled. Let's all stay healthy and keep our hearts strong. Ms. Priya clapped. That's the spirit. Your body's transportation system is a wonder of nature. But your learning continues. CBSE NCERT Class 7 Science, Chapter 5 Reproduction in Plants. The secret life of plants. How do they reproduce? The mystery of the vanishing flowers. One day, Arav, Mira, and Rohan were walking in the school garden when they noticed something strange. Yesterday, this plant had flowers, but today they're gone, Mira exclaimed. Priya smiled. What if I told you? Those flowers didn't disappear but are turning into something new. Rohan's eyes widened. Wait! Flowers transform into something? Curiosity challenge. What happens to a flower after it blooms? Think about it. Why do plants reproduce, Ms.? Priya explained. Just like animals have babies, plants need to make new plants. Reproduction allows plants to survive and spread. Some plants grow from seeds, others from stems, roots, or leaves. Without reproduction, plants would go extinct. Example. Imagine if mango trees stopped making seeds. No more mangoes ever. Fun fact. The oldest tree in the world is 9,500 years old and still reproducing. Quick quiz. Can you name a fruit that has many seeds inside? Answer, papaya. How do plants reproduce? Types of reproduction. Ms. Priya asked, do plants always need seeds to grow? Arav shook his head. No, I've seen plants grow from stems too. Types of plant reproduction. 1. Asexual reproduction, no seeds. The plant grows new parts without seeds. Example, budding. Yeast cells grow tiny buds. Fragmentation. Algae break into small parts. Spore formation. Ferns and fungi spread through spores. 2. Sexual reproduction, flower seeds. Plants make seeds using flowers. Example, apple tree, sunflower, mango. Example, a potato grows from a piece of itself while a sunflower needs seeds. Fun fact. A single fungus can release 500 billion spores in one day. Try this. Cut a potato into pieces and plant them. Watch new plants grow. Flowers, the birthplace of seeds. Mira asked. So, how do flowers make seeds? Ms. Priya smiled. Flowers are not just pretty. They are the factories of life. Parts of a flower. Stamen, male part, makes pollen, tiny yellow grains. Pistil, female part, holds ovules, future seeds. Petals, attract pollinators like bees. Example, think of a flower like a bakery. Pollen is the flower. Ovules are the eggs and the cake. Seed is made when they mix. Fun fact. The world's largest flower, Rafflesia, smells like rotting meat to attract flies. Quick challenge. Name one flower that smells good. How do seeds form? Pollination, fertilization. Arav asked, if pollen and ovules are separate, how do they mix? Ms. Priya explained, that's where pollination happens. Pollination, the pollen journey. Bees, butterflies, wind, and water carry pollen from one flower to another. When pollen meets an ovule, a seed starts forming. Example, coconut trees use wind to spread pollen while bees help sunflowers. Fun fact, a single bee can visit 5,000 flowers a day. Try this. Put a flower outside and watch how bees or butterflies visit it. What happens after pollination? Seed fruit formation. Rohan asked, so after pollination, what happens to the flower? Ms. Priya explained, the ovule becomes a seed, and the flower turns into a fruit. Seeds are protected inside fruits. Some fruits have one seed, mango, some have many, watermelon. The fruit falls, breaks, or gets eaten, spreading the seeds. Example, birds eat cherries, drop seeds far away, and new trees grow. Fun fact, the coconut is the largest seed in the world. Quick quiz, name a fruit that has no seeds. Answer, banana. Why seed dispersal is important? Mira asked, why do seeds need to spread away from their parent plant? Ms. Priya explained, if all seeds fell in the same place, they wouldn't have space to grow. How seeds travel? By wind, cotton, dandelion. By water, coconut, lotus. By animals, mango, berries. Example, coconut seeds float on water and reach distant islands. Fun fact, the lightest seed, orchid seed, is smaller than dust. Try this. Pick a seed and think, how does it travel? Conclusion, the secret life of plants. Arav, Mira, and Rohan now understood how plants create life. Mira said, from now on, I'll plant seeds and watch them grow. Rohan added, and I'll protect bees so they keep pollinating. Arav smiled. Nature is full of hidden wonders, Ms. Priya clapped. That's the spirit. Every plant you see started as a tiny seed, but your learning continues. CBSE NCERT Class 7 Biology, Final Revision Quizzes. Now let's summarize all Class 7 Biology. Chapter 1, Nutrition in Plants. Quick recap: plants make their food using photosynthesis. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and converts it into energy. Plants need water, air, and sunlight to survive. Quick quiz on what is the green pigment in leaves called? A. Oxygen. B. Chlorophyll. E. Carbon dioxide. 2. Which part of the plant absorbs water? A. Leaves. B. Roots. C. Stem. The digestive system helps break food into energy. Humans have teeth to chew, while snakes swallow food whole. Quick quiz. 1. What organ stores food before digestion? A. Lungs. B. Stomach. C. Heart. 2 cows digest food in 4 parts of their stomach. What is this process called? A. Fermentation. B. Rumination. C. Pollination. Answers: 1B. Stomach. 2B. Rumination. Chapter 3. Respiration in organisms. Quick recap. Breathing provides oxygen, which helps in energy production. Lungs, gills, and even skin help different animals breathe. Humans breathe in oxygen, O2, and breathe out carbon dioxide, CO2. Quick quiz. 1. What is the powerhouse of the cell producing energy? A. Chloroplast. B. Nucleus. C. Mitochondria. 2. Which organ helps fish breathe underwater? A. Lungs. B. Gills. C. Skin. Answers: 1C. Mitochondria. 2B. Gills. Chapter 4. Transportation in animals, plants. Quick recap. The heart pumps blood, transporting oxygen and nutrients. Xylem carries water, while phloem carries food in plants. Answers: 1B. Pump blood. 2B. Phloem. Chapter 5. Reproduction in plants. Quick recap. Sexual reproduction uses flowers and seeds. Asexual reproduction happens through stems, leaves, or spores. Pollination is when pollen moves from one flower to another. Quick quiz. 1. What carries pollen from one flower to another? A. Wind. B. Bees. C. Both. Join us on this journey of knowledge, wisdom, and discovery, where learning knows no limits and ignites the soul. Stay curious. Stay inspired. If you found value in this, like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to Professor Diaries. Hit the icon for the latest updates and help spread this wisdom to others. This is Professor Diaries, signing off. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.